15 yummy street food of India everyone must try. Street food is popular all over the world, be it a hot dog or pani puri. But nothing can beat the variety of street food in India. Simple yet exotic flavors make Indian street food different and our all-time favorite. No matter where we are, be it a flea market, a mall or at Haldiram's, we always indulge in street food. No outing is ever complete without some chaat or egg rolls or pakode. Here are a few delicious street food from all over India that you simply cannot say no to. One. Chhole Bhature. Chhole Bhature taste best when served hot. They are yummy and filling. The next time you have one, make sure you have built an appetite to do justice to this dish. 2. Aloo Tikki assorted with curd, red and green chutney, namkeen and pomegranate seeds. Aloo Tikki is a must-try. The explosion of flavors is a treat to your taste buds. 3. Vada Pav. Vada Pav batata vada neatly placed between buns with spicy powder and chutney is the secret of the amazing taste of this Indian burger. 4. Dahi Puri. The Marathi bhai of Delhi chaat papadi. Dahi Puri is the best way to soothe your palate. The semi-puffed puris with the sweetness of curd and tangy chutney is the perfect way to treat yourself. 5. Pav Bhaji. A mixture of veggies with a few drops of lime to go with the pav dipped in butter is the most delicious way to indulge in Indian street food, especially in winters. 6. Akki Roti. One of the most popular dishes from Karnataka cuisine. Akki Roti is made with rice flour and served with coconut or tomato chutney. The dressing of onions, tomatoes, carrots and green chilies give us the extra punch of flavors. 7. Paddu, also known as Appe, Ponganaloo or Paniyaram. This is a very famous South Indian dish. These shiny, rice batter balls taste exactly like dosa, but with a slight hint of sourness. 8. Poha-Jalebi. Jalebi and poha are famous throughout India, but the lip-smacking combination of these two tastes best on the streets of Indore. 9. Litti Chokha. Straight from the streets of Patna, Litti Chokha is made with sattu and can be enjoyed with aloo, bangan bharta and curd. 10. Tunday Kebabi. Straight from the city of Nawabs, these mouth-watering kebabs are worth trying. Remember to taste them next time you visit Lucknow. 11. Galouti Kebabs. Tasty kebabs served with hot dipping sauce melt as soon as they land on your tongue. 12. Moong Dal Bhaji. Gujarati dishes are famous for their sweet and salty flavor, but this bhaji with chatpati chutney will blow your mind and taste buds for sure. 13. Kachori. Made from maida, these deep-fried kachoris come with different fillings: onion, peas, potato and dal. They taste delicious with pudina or imli chutney. 14. Ghunghi Chaat. A huge bowl of yellow dal, surrounded by tomatoes, peas and lime juice. This luscious Bengali street food is the perfect snack. 15. Egg rolls. Hot and delicious egg rolls are mouth-watering tasty snacks sold on the street sides of Kolkata. If you've been there and not had the roll, your visit was incomplete.
So which one of these are you going to try out first?